grapes should never be planted from seeds. Otherwise, it won't take a few days. They will sprout. The two cotyledons expand first, like flapping wings, about to take off. After the 10th day, the grape bud sprouts new leaves from between the two cotyledons. They grow into needles. The needles that start to grow are emerald green and shiny. As time goes by, it will mature, darken the color, wither slowly until it dries up and is illuminated. From seed growth to a height of 35 centimeters, it took 60 days. It will take about 4 years before it blooms and bears fruit. It takes too long to grow grapes from seeds. We can do it another way. Significantly reduce planting time. First, go to the neighbor's vine. Cut off 2 longer branches and take them home. Pay attention. The cuttings are preferably dormant. That's when there are no leaves on the vines. Below the vine node, cut off excess branches with a knife. Leave about 2 centimeters or so. Or cut a seedling. Leave some nodes. Peel off the bud point at the bottom, don't, because this node is used for rooting. The top 2 nodes are for buds. Add the branch below the rooting node. Swipe 3 or 4 times vertically with a knife. Increase the area of water absorption. The top incision of the grape branch is sealed with a candle. This is to reduce the evaporation of water. Put them in clear bottles. In order to observe the rooting, the water in the bottle doesn't need much. Just touch the node at the bottom slightly. This is very crucial. The water in the bottle is gone. Remember to add some in time. Then put it in the warmest place in the house. Wait until the grape branches grow some white roots. Now transplant it into a nursery cup. Disposable cups can be used, but remember to open some drainage holes at the bottom. Seedling soil should be fertile, loose and breathable. This way the root system of the grape branches will grow stronger. As they grow leaves, they grow flowers. Be sure to pinch it off, so as not to take away nutrients. Let its nutrients be fully supplied to the long branches and leaves. Next, we prepare the soil for the potting grapes. Use 3 parts of pastoral soil dug by the roadside, 3 parts peat soil to parts perlite, 3 fermented and decomposed organic fertilizers. If you find it troublesome, use the finished nutrient soil to mix the pastoral soil. After pouring the pot and transplanting, the grape branches and leaves need to be pruned. Cut off all side branches. Keep only 1 or 2 stab branches as the main trunk. Plug it in. Lay high on the surface of the basin soil. Play a moisturizing role. When the grape branches reach a certain length, circle it around the shelf. A year later, it was winter. The leaves of the grape will dry up and fall off. Automatically enter the dormant period. When it germinates next spring, it will grow flower ears. A fruiting branch leaves only a string of flower spikes and fruits. Cut off the excess. Otherwise, there will be insufficient nutrients. All of them don't grow well. If you lose something, you gain something, and I think we all know that. It turns out, potted grapes are also possible. As long as it is managed properly, the next year, you can also eat grapes you grow at home. Did you learn it?